Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up and mounting the sources. You need a verified system image and the current recovery partition located. Once you have the image, mount it read-only so you don't accidentally modify original files. Make sure to record the partition ID, size, and file system type. Those details matter for later. Then open an elevated shell and list partitions so you can reference device names directly. This avoids confusion when you create or resize the replacement partition. Once the new partition is ready, copy the recovery files with permissions preserved so recovery tools work correctly. Use rsync or a tool that keeps ownership and exec bits. After copying, update configuration entries that point to the recovery UUID or device. Replace old UUIDs with the new one in bootloader and recovery config so the system finds it. Make sure to refresh initramps or equivalent. This registers the new layout. Then run one test mount to validate file integrity, and to finish, reboot into a test environment or use a virtual machine to run a full recovery attempt. You want to verify the recovery process actually boots and restores. If something goes wrong, first check for UUID mismatches, incorrect boot entries, or broken permissions. Those are the common culprits. If the system still fails, swap back to your original image and rerun the copy with preserved attributes. Finally, document the new partition table and keep at least one verified backup off system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.